So today we'll be downloading Mario's Madness. Why it's split analysis? Oh wait. Oh this okay. Okay. Why the heck is it? I don't want no B2. I just want, you know what, I'm gonna download it on YouTube. What the heck? What? So let's just wait for it to download. Hindi. Folders empty. Okay, what the hell? So let me remove my other mods first. Let me remove this. Bam. So there was a script. I didn't know that. I didn't know there was a script here, bro. See this? That there was a dodge button. I didn't notice that. You were supposed to freaking add some buttons for Lua scripts. This for the button. That was the button. So yeah, that was the freaking button.
Got what it takes.
Yep, so let me see if it downloaded now. Yep. Why was there a Lua bro? Does it have script? I guess it does. Now let's open Nova Flare Engine.
Picturean lang pala yung card bukas.
O AI, o AI. Mario, Madness. Ooh. Blood, I can't play hard. I want hard. It's a me, Mario. Cool cutscene, by the way. Among Us. Oh my god, blood. What the heck? Pennies and bolts, bro, what's that? Nice mod. But the pennies and bolts is still. Blood's dead. Time to turn on serious mode. I know this Mario's Madness is hard, even if it is normal.
You're looking for someone? Seems you don't recognize me. It's me, Mario. Almost. Oh, you two seem a bit scared. Well, don't be. I'm not gonna kill you. Yet. I want to have some fun with the midgets before I end their lives. Oh, don't bother using your powers. They're useless here. This is my world. Oh, you're gonna pay for what that traitor or man you call a father did to me all those years ago. You
The cutscene's taking too long.
I've heard so many stories about you. You defeated lots of creatures, some like myself. Monsters, demons, angels, shrinks. So, how's about we make a deal? Say so. Just trade. Beat me, and I'll let you go. Lose, and you perish by my hand. Very well. Let's go.
Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. Blood, that's hard. Blood, this, bruh, this mod is hard.